Ekolombaika hanhai dipok entertainment YouTube channel taukte buksong tini norni bagoi bubagara ni video tu bi pheka taukte buksong bubagara je miya Delhi wo Home Minister Amit Shah bai mala yoi notice ni taman leaders neta pura autonomous district council chini notice ho 10 ta tongo 10 ta ni jotto ni leaders ronon tui Sarastra Mantri Amit Shah bai mala yoi meeting ho asuk laika taukte buksong au meeting ni hoite bubagara tamu message sahoka sungobo bu nailai nai tai khana lai nai taukte buksong nor logri tomdi aboni sigang nor ane video no like subscribe step bell icon kisa click kari di taukte buksong tai hamja mung video ba haikenu share khaidi sini tirprani tiprasani bagoi tabuk bellaino kaham koktoma kaham tui phai tongu taukte buksong obono kotorko aklai ni bisingono bubagarani mungbu kusugo kasinai notice ni mung ungsinai taukte buksong obo kendra sarkar khainani thangui tong bellai kheno kok kaham sopai ka taukte buksong hage norok sigang puila sung bubagara tamo sahaka bini kok no sung khonai na laganai aboni pore sung kok no subai sukrobui analyze khailen taukte buksong
in all the council chiefs leaders along with the Minister of Home, Amit Shah ji, and his Minister of State, Nityanand Rai ji, was very well addressed. We are very happy that the Home Minister of India has assured us that in the next 1 month, they will be addressing all our issues, which means the 25th of August. And he has assured us, if the agreement was signed when another government was in place, any commitment given by the government of India on any accord, any agreements will be honored, because that is not an agreement by BJP or Congress, is by the government of India. We are also very happy that a positive attitude was taken by the Home Minister, and we are hopeful because the councils may be different. I've heard you ask question, what does 125th Amendment mean? It may mean something for the Khasi, Garo Hills, Jaintia Hills. It may mean something else for BTR. It may mean something for Karbi Anglong. It may mean something completely different for Tripura. But all our problems will be individually heard by a committee and will be addressed so that there is a solution which is amicable. The most important thing is we don't want to go into confrontation. We want to give rights to our people, our community, and if this is how we progress, we will welcome it in a positive manner. Thank you.
Khana taukte buksong bono je Home Minister tuyoi je meeting thaimani o meeting o direct bubagarani kokno gosika kowangma sini tiprasarok bubagarani accord sign khaimani biang thangka bubagara je kok samani koto oto kok saman biang thangka hani kowangma borok sanai romni obono proof 125 ono jottono tongu taukte buksong ajagani ni land right hoite culture economic language webag no ajagao tong taukte buksong norok saimana ble economic by land right no kotor ko abo sopakan sinja gotei motamuti kaisa state ni dorja haiyungui thangka kaisa state ni saman power ungui thang tongu taukte buksong o tabo 125 ni bisingono tong o article norok hoito rutugui naidi o bisingono bebag tong kaisa state ni barabar power ungui thangu tiprasani identity je purbanchalo kumat kungbara sunghai debate khaijagi tongkha satok jagoi tongkha aborok ni self security ingnani baguino ubagara direct phang khai o samungno khainarok kataukte buksong Amit Shah asa srikha bubagara ni kokte je bujimani abo kisa busangobo election doktongoba obo omas kaisani bisingun ready khai rinai pura complete thangnai taukte buksong hai koktoma bubagara ni bising toi sumsai maka ekai belekeno positive kok kaham sini tiprasarok no obonono khalok na nangnai ni ang bar bar nor thani kubangma video logono saklayo sungma naisinglainai khama longnai de kuno samung khain tha kai kisa khal ma logo oboni bagoino kisa ma naisinglainai sung abono thansa nango ansa tawkai bebag no সম্ভব ngo sung tini ITFT dini janajati pramota thansa khai sung ekmonchot mabumang kha apon bagoino robo naikha obo notice ni je somisya no solve kharis nai Home Minister Amit Shah naikha tam khai borok tabuk emon khai kaisa behalok lai tongkha kendriyo sarkar rok tini khanani bising sarkar baiman o jagao doti khayoi je tabuk sarge dol BJP bai jutto babe tongnai jottono no boroni nahar mungtamo rok nai rinai belekan chaka takle BJP seat kom mamani bai 240 seat BJP mamani bai belekano tiprasani kopal ka hambu hinmangkha a bisingo tabuk Andhra Pradesh ni agini BJP ni je chief minister tongmani taukte buk samnar saiman na takle bo seat kom thaka garoni TDP ini kaya tongo Naidu Babu ni party local party borok seat kebang tlang thangmani bai ajagani minister sokogori ui tabuk naidu babu minister asok khika kai BJP ni asok Narendra Modi ni yak na yak aroni chief minister o se tabuk nokhok sobai jagui tongkha kai BJP no blei naidu babu bo tabuk BJP o se alliance tong tong kai tami bagai tini abo hayengui tongkha kajai ajagao naidu babu ni seat kebang ma tongkha kai Tekarasani aja agini chief minister bini seat kom boni bagoi bo dam rije angui tongkha norok nai Delhi logomia bo protest dor khaimani rok protest khaitani rogo obama Rahul Gandhi samalaika nini Trinamool Congress songi malaika Akhilesh Yadav Shiv Sena nini Maharashtra ni borok jottonu malai borok India alliance phaidi rokni borno dabi khaika kei aja gabu komjori manu BJP ro oborni abo Rajya Sabha Lok Sabha je member tangmani parliament o members rok komi thangmanu abo BJP ni hoite borok ongori phan phaimanu oboni bagoi no taukte buksong sung khalongna nangnai ake BJP ni je sorigyo dol bini logyo tauk joto babe je tong tongnai Nitish Kumar Naidu babu borok nam bagoi package borok ni je dabi ni mote mani tong tongo abono sini bubagar nebu dabi je sanmani sung man nai ni asa khayo abo mars kaisan bisun complete nai bubagara obo haikeno je bubagar ni kok tomau sung saima mani toino ong sinai tai aro ke borokawat khaimaya Tripura ni chief minister Phanung Thoni ni Jesupanu boroni borok khangrai rok kebeng nani chai tok to abo te kebengi malia taukte buksong amokai abo direct kendriya swasthya mantri Kendra Sarkar roksi obo haikai je kok rimani jotto lokorong ni dusango aboni sikango agreement khaipro bunor no khana haikai obo haikai no je samung khaijagoi tongmani turuk busango abo jotto nugui tongu hungkai abono kebu kebengi maya asibu maya obo ong sinai no 125 Tiprasani mutamuti thinango kusung mai khopsa chai thangnani lama rok abono ne bagoi kotoma kaham bak kok kaham tubi payment taukte buksong haikai norok obo haikai no anobo asokai sapudri tongmani tai comments norok ano je asokai kaham comments jimani support khai tongmani aboni bagoi norok jot tonon kholomo amjamung obo haikai no ritong di kaisa tai kaisa no support khaidi ani o video no share khaidi noroni bagoi ang kobangma kok toma tebo Delhi rogo choli tongo tabuk kobangma kok rok tui tongo gai UP ni CM case klaijak je ajaga Hindu building mani rok obrok tebo kobangma video tongo noroni bagoi tui phainai haikai noroni bagoi tini bubagara je kok saklai mani bubagara je chai tongmani tini Tiprasano je sakapan phioglangnai notice ni borono thansakai phioglangnai hinai bubagara ni je commitment rimani o commitment ni bising tuino bubagara samung tongmani tabuk success ungnani 90% thangka abono no saklaina ni bagoi tini ang sikang puila ma phaika haikai norno kobangma kong no sanan tongo haiban tini ang oinodegi kok salia tamukai Tripura ni bagoi kobangma borok bubagara ni ekot sign khailemani amongkha kisa video sramde hini norok saleman bagoi ang belaikha abo tini bubagara ni video non bubagara je saklaimani notice live channel logo je samani o video ro norok nai di ajaga je samani bubagara je borno phone kai saklaimani rok bebak no kasai tonghoikha Tripurani tamo buini bosong tamo Tiprasa sinai nungnai joton saimano positive bel lekhenu kaham haikai sini Tiprasani je bubagara ni sign record mani abo ongsinai je agreement khaimani agreement moteno Tiprasani man taisok tai tabuk mansinai obono koktoma kaham taukte buksong haikai norok ani o video no share khadi je machak share khadi norok asokkai hamjama bagoi norok logiri tongma bagoi kaham tongdi susto tongdi tini ni bagoi jot tonono khulom baikha